wrong one now going can ChatGPT ke Claude unyo Cloudy unyo Claude lo kira ngara je go ngar moni kwano kere ando wana no kon kero ka ChatGPT unyo kero ka Claude wabi tamu penyo ke kong jemi wen marorom kan wana no kon kira tiuke kan wana no kon jemi madama ji madara kon gangang pian watang la chima ya wana no kita ai ba ga chela boss me ge ke chela dong auto ge ke chela je ne dong ono je ne dong tuwa wachero kong ke ChatGPT kong wa we kong AI ko jono application lata I company mo ga Uganda ga wabe tamo the same question ChatGPT, we tell the same question, Claude. I want to check ChatGPT. Man, don't come me from obedining, come me from to obedining. The recording, pian typing in the period, kitchen. We are recording on professional. As a laboratory technician who has 5 years of experience in the field, help me apply for a job at CCare, Uganda, for the position of laboratory technician. Same. Question then. As a laboratory technician who has 5 years of experience in the field, help me apply for a job at CCare, Uganda, for a position of laboratory technician. Okay, look at applications on my baby. Email, subject, application. Application module. Dear hiring manager, I'm writing to express my interest in the position of laboratory, blah, 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 blah. Now get a good pay, my dog no well. And to a party nano, Piampa watching so to you getting me yours faithful about DB medical laboratory technician phone number dong now I don't me get it in the point the editing mer kero nyigi ikaro ngoge which application again a language t paragraph can then go to introduction t main body t I think conclusion remarks t char paragraphs maram and then come up yeah heading a shell a rio a there a one and then a thank you. So basically, right. Now, we're copying the same question. What you are doing, Claude, copy the text. Copying the text, share any Claude in your Claude. Share Claude, share and the same prompt. Mana ne ami yoki ChatGPT where cat kind go. So the same prompt, mana ana mien. I call one Claude get a kilo thought thinking. Actually, I mean what 2 steps. You're thinking when I'm cello. Take a thinking when I found the current opening. Man, ulu man no chiaraway kono no bene actually do advertising. So, for don't take a pen, your question, what is your highest lab qualifications? Diploma in medical laboratory, diploma, yes, currently. So, any opinion or right? Or come here, what is the highest level of education? Now, me, I take a pen. Are you registered with the Light L Professional Council? Yes. What best describe most of your 5 years of experience? General hospital lab routine test sample collection. Sample collection. My God. Ereni dawa lo da Claude da very detailed. Pian umia la penyo kita mi require kere la penya def kong ma foot pe mina application. Na kong wana application ne kong. Enda ori. Claude da now Claude Uriero and then Charada Danyama talk to PM. The same question ma actually ChatGPT ni. So is the same question mango ma tika chon na an kanye. Kong wan neno kong ngo maramo kelo ka kong. Lo adaba rida karo eto. Kwa je Maria yebe. Tika tema jemi o wine. Me achel uchawan. The file wasn't created since the earlier year doc. Let me use the create file instead. Instead, me Ariana, now let me verify it rendered correctly before sharing. Me Adeke looks clean now. Let's move it to output and share it. Me na mwana uchero copying final cover letter to output. Fill in the bracket placeholder. Fill in the bracketed placeholders, surname, contact detail, dates, and the hospital. Few things to attach alongside it since Seeker typically asks for this. Updated CV, certificate, allied professional council, national ID. Ulu. Wakona yapo letter nanan. So Claude, ukwanya la penya ni, you application letter, ukara ka yap ka nergo. Muguna pura dia bar gidi non ato. Bedong pa bi cher mabo. Donga mercha application letter ka moegan cher Claude. De na ngino te on rubana uyubu letter o wen. Inde mer cher editing kero nyigi kan. Kenan ko. Uyubu letter o mina PDF o actually wacha ke CV na academic document na ahadi yega chwala wa board the website ajoni. Letter to moya address tie uchonya la pote address town kinga ge date kinga ngagi uyubu letter chala aya cho applications for the positions of laboratory technician. Lord dame ba PMP letter enemy aka kwan kong paragraph me now chele again. I am writing to apply for the position of laboratory technicians or medical laboratory technician at CK Uganda as advertised. I hold a diploma in medical laboratory technology and I'm currently registered with Allied Health Professional Council of Uganda with 5 years of hands-on experience in visit general eno mi prompt mo wa penyo la peny machiek adada. Wa penyo la peny machiek nan gina gino timo. Nan gina gino timo. Pedong be wa mete. Pedong wa mete ma twala rongong ba. Kado bini lo mi application da wa kong ke gina gino charane. Kaneno na te penyo tichi. Ono bedong pa bi yele. Abi kwanya me abi downloading gene. Editing ke chim kan kero nyaagi kan. Ki ni signature na ki gwa gino mo nung pe nan jalo pa ubala beda wa wiano la bay pangene da tek we lewo kenen kon wa pe la pen ma che as a laboratory technician who has 5 years of experience in the field. Help me apply for a job at CK Uganda for a position of laboratory technician. Now gino temo architected customizable application. Uchoro your application uyu yenyu no ni joni kara da tiketi website gi teach man na kwa no ti website gi gucho an application letter we pebe mi yo gero mo pakama gucho an application letter we gumia application letter mo gucho dong keto nyaagi kan official name ma ki gwa na ma chima pian pa mio go verifying Gemini ujana. So ke mi ro cho an application letter don kong be video don ta ro ka se lo mi comparing pian don ke no la pe da la be ki jel ke rio ke de o la o yo mo gan. So I highly recommend on Claude mecha on application letter kan ngar mo kan company mo kan ma giti ki website we yamu or applying for tichumo ini kat ena ni pia wa mi prom ma ni dong ni da pia penyu gina mi arno timo I detail tutwa eno kete kanena cho nya position ma miero profession na experience full name ka mi wana machima ka cho jimni wen kan a describing jimni wen application letter bino ma de chere wara chere ruda wa che chwala ka mi information on when jimni wen team kero now eno ne foda mer chere chat kon wana no gina ChatGPT mi ba pedang ni wa deck ChatGPT a de ento kai cho an application si careful gana sorry Claude food dollar pian wa mio and gina wa penyo ChatGPT ni we wa penyo gina exactly wa copy ma kanchi wa pasting kuya ina na magic ChatGPT okelo mara application again be po gale so tian lo gane ka dog ni ri kinga gina ChatGPT lo and ke pin ChatGPT wa ni before submitting update your phone number and email address and attach your CV, academic certificates, professional registration and practicing license if applicable, copies of relevant testimonials or recommendation letters. So, ChatGPT or wajiningo, you are team gimni, what team attaching, kito win you kereni. But ke now the Claude, get out of Claude do kero kere. Ujon wala ra complete. Beno chara yenyo no ni joni ti advertising ti jada ite na na manyoro ni kani wa mi no komano wen wa mi Gemini wen no actually bu cho petiji chingo chi dong pa ngeo no ga bu chwala application la tanyo pa bu chwala bar gina ngeo ana ni Claude unyo Claude utimu ti darla ChatGPT o kai wa mi a chele ganjo wa yu kong na wa kel comparison mo kana aya ene wate ma application letter kong no wate mo pingo geno mo ma kwa gango wate mo geno mo ma kwa wa tem kong geno mo gan ma share kong culture actually culture your tradition. As a proud youth from Acholi sub-region in northern Uganda, list for me at least 10 people who were great in singing traditional Acholi songs and are considered the greatest ever. Mane atemo dok ChatGPT. Apenyo, la penyo tikuman. As a proud youth from Acholi sub-region in northern Uganda, list for me at least 10 people who are great in singing traditional Acholi songs and considered the greatest ever. Aya, mokbe food be pe wachara bola we awobe. Okay, la wala we awobe. Number 10. La we awobe. Now Jel boss me go team. Now Mario Okelo. Now Adek Geoffrey Rema, Godfather. In this land, nangene ya mube na je. Na when okot pa bit no greatest people and no we tama cholo we Jimmy Patrick Akana. Akana, okay. Lucky boss me, okay, the boss me wari, I legend the work gonyo free boss me. Pa. Timakia. Apoti ape kono ta bi chunganji ape te video ni kara. But boss me ukelo nyeke rio. Lucky boss me, ki boss me team. Mi bierne the cultural dance group wala performance. Peda ngero pokelo ge. But anna mer nying dana. Women's traditional wedding songs. Do ti aba okan ti kelo gi mo ikan. Aya wakwanda kong la pen en ni ki kome wachwal dare Claude. Wakwanyo. Ya wachwal Claude. Aya. Abi penye the same thing. Abi coping and get a ChatGPT ni. And the same as a produce from Acholi sub-region in northern Uganda. List for me at least 10 people who were great in singing traditional Acholi songs and considered the greatest ever. Claude, Ang benar no kong apa-apa ka Claude kinga ke ChatGPT. Mana me dog gang aya. Claude ke 4-step thought process. Claude ri ento wanano result leo kita bion kere. Piani kom ri ne Claude kelo Jimmy madok very detailed according to gena wa penye na wachele. Kong ko wanano kong. Kaya ne be bu kelo detail. Okay lo yan. Here's the list of actual musicians widely recognized for their role in traditional rooted actual music based on what's documented online. A quick honest note first, there is no single official ranking of the greatest actually singers ever. And take a watch never fully. Much of that oral history lives with elders and growth. Ana Biao Geoffrey Rema as one. May so rest in peace for sure. Now, me a child, Okelo, Geoffrey Rema, perhaps the most internationally celebrated actually musician. But ChatGPT Okelo boss me now a child. Claude Tika Keloa, Geoffrey Rema house number, a child. I don't mean reason, no, perhaps the most internationally celebrated actually musician. Blended traditional instruments like lukeme, thumb piano, and adungo with songwriting and performed at Nelson Mandela's birthday celebration. So when the late Oriama kind of food paying Oriama, see that is who he was. Me ario Ojara Eddie. Remember pangeo da Ojara Eddie ni. Me ko da kwan ko no pangeo Ojara Eddie. Lucky boss me go team Claude Kero now a deck. Ni pe wene. Ve lo ko churi kwa boss me. Leo Palayeng is recognized as Claude. Leo Palayeng will now when according to Claude. Anto why you get a burning. There is no official ranking and the man no online. O team Alpha of Zaite. Okay. Pocho Zaite or team Alpha. What are the in town? Couldn't one left man waiting church Opio tongwano, bone cock, bone chicken, bone Opio tongwano. Now bichel. Now a beer of Jackie Akelo. Pangeo no dog my bed. Now I'm wan, Lukeme Kalule, a traditional musician is known for playing Lukeme thumb piano while singing folk narrative songs. Opera kato, one low, one boy te, anyway, go. Jerry Aquera, apparently. Oh, okay. Jeff Corondo. Okay. So, Claude da okay, lo giovavo to nyingi gara ti very familiar ana para chele wen. O kwano nying dana gan. Pa ngeo mukana get to ale lukeme kalule ni peno da ngeo. Jackie Akelo, and now kai wear again ni ka bera nyaka ma wear great Watmon. And I don't know, Watmon Pega. Because Watmon is a legend for sure. But Nancharo Gemini pay online. Because these are things. And Kwanyi Gemini William Kiloka. But at the day, actually tradition, Fuda Mino, Cloudy AI Chalo Genauro to around where ye it is now. Get around where ye comparison, but yeah, Cloud. So for them, I'm out to Cloud the law ChatGPT. But gina chill mangin ChatGPT ma be ene kay ni tim research mi gan kwan ki ngani ChatGPT be ero be kara wani ma ka der di mangich enti chan ko mane for sure ka in la ten kwan ma de ne mer tim research nyo tim chere Cloud ko item nyu porario ni na marata ke chi kel wabi chiar ka penyu AI jin maru duong so competition wagiro kai actually manya